Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie Gordon Ramsay easy method. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees F and get a chilled butter crust ready on a floured board. Peel and core tart apples, then slice them evenly so they cook uniformly. Toss apples with sugar, lemon juice, cinnamon, and a light pinch of salt to balance sweetness. Fill the crust, seal the edges gently, and brush with egg wash before baking. Warm, spiced filling makes the pie memorable, so choose apples that hold shape when baked. Combine tart Granny Smith with a sweeter variety for contrast. Sprinkle in the cinnamon, lemon juice, and a measured thickener to keep the filling saucy but not runny. Taste a small slice of raw apple mix to gauge sweetness and adjust with sugar if needed. Layer apples neatly for even baking and a beautiful presentation. Bake your pie until the crust is golden and the filling bubbles through vents, usually between 45 and 55 minutes. Rotate the pan halfway if your oven has hot spots to ensure even color. Once baked, allow the pie to cool for about 1 hour so the filling sets and slices cleanly. Serve slightly warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a small pour of cream for a classic finish that guests will love.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.